Today I'm building a mailbox because we need one. We are tired of going to the postal office to get our letters and stuff. We actually had we missed an important document the other day for the car, so we need this mailbox sitting right here. First and foremost for my little mailbox is going to be this piece of wood, which I'm going to build the frame from, and then later on I'll make the outside of the postal box with these old planks from walls of these old houses, because I want to do it on the cheap like in the other videos and reuse materials. And there you have the frame. Now I just need to put the outside cover on it, and then I'll be home safe soon. And then I need to get some hinges for the top of it from the hardware store. Now the front or the back is finished. Don't know, we'll see which one is the prettiest when it's varnished and all finished up. Now I just need to cut the top off so it's straight up here, and I can make the lid after the back side is done, or the front side, we'll never know. But this is how far we've gotten. Both the front side and the back side, just don't know which is going to be which. But this is starting to look like an authentic Italian mailbox. I am now finished carving out our names and our house number into this mailbox, and now I'm gonna fill out these carvings with a color so you can see it through the transparent varnish. I'm done filling out the carvings, and pretty satisfying result. Now I just need to give the little mailbox some varnish and then it's done. Woo. Next step of the mailbox is to get some hinges for the lid, so that's what we're going to do now. Now I have to paint the mailbox, and then I'll probably sand it down once again and then give it another layer of varnish, and then it's pretty much done. And yeah, of course then I need to screw on the lid, but soon done with it. Right, first layer of varnish is done. Unfortunately, our names and our house number is the ink is flowing out, unfortunately, but I think you can still sort of see what's written there, but it'll do. There's not many houses in our village here, so it'll do. There you go, last layer of varnish for this time, and I'll screw on the hinges for the lid, and it'll be done. The mailbox is done. Here you have it. Now I just need to hang it here on this pole with wire. I think I'm gonna do it. And there you go, our new mailbox is on the pole where we wanted it, and the letters and our names on the mailbox is not that bad as it was at when I applied the first layer of varnish. So pretty satisfying result, and thanks for watching. I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. It will help me a lot on my little creator journey here. Thanks for watching.